Hey guys, Tiny here, over here. Welcome back to a brand new video. And today we are opening up the Pokemon Trading Play Day kit from GameStop. It comes with one activity sheet, 3-card mini bag, 1 Pokemon coin, and 1 trading guide. Now it's hard to open up, so especially with one hand. So she wants me to get it open. So I went ahead and got it open. We actually have 2 here, but pull this out and show you what we got. Trading card breakdown. Bleh. This is our little activity sheet where you have to do, I don't know exactly, pop. There's our Dollar Tree pack. Team up. Thought this was going to be Unbroken Bonds. And we're going to do that down there as well. Wait, and our coin. Our coin is a Rowlet coin, so we're going to put this off to the side and open up this other one. So let's go ahead and dive into this one. You can tell that I haven't done anything. The pack is off to the side right now. We got another one of the trading card game breakdown thingies. Throw that down into the pile of nothingness. We still got a leg reveal, but no face reveal yet. This little, I think this is a different one, but I don't know. So we're going to throw that down there. And pull out what we've been looking for, the booster pack. Throw that off to the side. Dig in. Dig in. See, once I find our coin. Our coin is a, can't think of the name. No. Dialga? Right now, let's dig into our Dollar Tree booster packs. Subscribe for good luck. In these Dollar Tree packs, we're probably going to get nothing like you're guaranteed, but it worth a little shot. Here's your code card with no code. So, over at Litten. This is an old set, so a Moga and a Hellisk and a Litten. Put those down there in the corner of shame, because this was supposed to be Unbroken Bonds. See, once we get this Emolga, again, Bronzong, and an Ammonite. That's going to end off the video. Good boy.